Hi, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel Sneha's Drawing Academy, and I am here today with a simple and beautiful painting of a butterfly. The colors I'm using here for this painting are poster watercolors. Here I'm adding the strokes of the wings with brown color. So guys, please watch this video till the end. After all, I'm making this video for you all guys.
So please watch this video till end.
Till I'm adding the detailings. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss my upcoming videos. Also turn the black thumb blue if you are liking my videos. And do not forget to share this video to your friends and family more and more. For black bordering, I am using a micron pen of 005.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next.
So friends, our butterfly is ready. Stay tuned with me, see you in the next video.